On 90% of all milling machines, cooling and lubrication is provided in this way, with flood lubrication. As a result, almost 1 million tons of cooling lubricants are consumed every year in Germany alone. As an alternative, minimum quantity lubrication has been available for about 20 years with more or less good results. The medium vertiler works completely differently with its dry lubrication technology. Cooling is done by compressed air from stationary nozzles, which encloses the tool cutting edges up to the workpiece like a jacket. This massively minimizes frictional pressure and reliably removes chips from the machining area. If lubrication is necessary, aerosol quality lubricant without mineral oil can be added to the compressed air at a rate of 2 to 20 grams per hour. These are processed without residues machine and workpieces remain clean and dry. As you can see, the medium vertiler system brings only advantages in machining such as minimization of tool costs, faster processing, increased service precision, repeatability and dimensional accuracy, higher technical availability of the machines and automation due to cleanliness, savings in cooling lubricants as well as service and personnel costs, energy saving and thus immense carbon dioxide reduction. Thanks a lot.